Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a resume using Claude AI. This is a quick and easy way to generate a professional, well-structured resume with the help of AI. Let's get started. On the Claude AI dashboard, we will see a prompt that says, "How can I help you?" We just need to type what we need. For example, to create a resume, we type, "Please help create a resume." Now we wait for the reply. Next, we need to choose the document type. For example, if we want a PDF, we select that option. We can start from scratch, or if we prefer, we can use a template. In the text box, we type in our details. For example, my name is Jonathan Doe, 6 years admin assistant, graduate of information technology, fast typing, and programmer. We will use this as our example. Let's say we want to apply as a virtual assistant. After entering the details, we press Enter. Now, let's wait for the system to load. As we can see, it is reading the information and processing it. Once it's done, here is the resume from Claude AI. We can now download this file to our computer. After we open the document, we can use it for job applications, and that's how we create a resume with Claude AI. With this simple method, we can build a professional resume faster and more efficiently.